Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Art of Nia. So today's video is actually going to be a review on Bentonite Clay. My hair is dirty, I just detangled it. So that's one tip for you, to just detangle your hair before you actually use this product. So the version of Bentonite Clay that I'm going to be using is the Aztec Indian Healing Clay, as well as I'm going to be mixing it with Bragg's apple cider vinegar. So I'm going to be using a plastic spoon or plastic like spoon and a plastic bowl. This is very important that you don't want to use anything metal when you are using Bentonite Clay. The clay will absorb the metal. It pretty much makes the clay ineffective. There aren't specific measurements that I have. I started off with a half a cup of Bentonite Clay, so you'll see me pouring in 2/4 of Bentonite Clay, and I'm just going to be adding the apple cider vinegar, but I do eyeball it, so I don't know exactly how much apple cider vinegar that I use, and I'll tell you why in a minute. So you can see the apple cider vinegar kind of fizzed up in the clay, and with me mixing it, it's clumpy, so that's an indication to me that I need more apple cider vinegar. I usually add water to this mixture, but I was very surprised that I actually achieved the results that I was looking for by just adding apple cider vinegar. But you may want to add water to yours if you desire to do so. So this is pretty much like pancake mix. I noticed that just by using the apple cider vinegar, I was able to get all, if not most, of the lumps out. So I was able to get it real smooth and real creamy by just mixing and adding apple cider vinegar to my desire, or basically however much I need it in order to get that clay-like consistency. So I'm just showing you here that is really smooth, and I'm going to show you again on my hand. Like, it took me a while to learn how to get this as smooth as possible. Alright, so you all know the deal, me sectioning my hair. And then I'm applying the Bentonite Clay. Now, as soon as you apply this clay, it automatically stretches your hair out. So Bentonite Clay elongates your hair. I am putting it on my scalp, and I'm just pretty much applying the Bentonite Clay all over my hair. So if you guys didn't already know, I cannot use shampoo anymore. I did do a video as to why I cannot use shampoo. So doing a Bentonite Clay mask is actually one of the shampoo alternatives that I absolutely love doing. So why Bentonite Clay? Bentonite Clay is pretty much a healing clay from like volcanic ash. It has iron, calcium, sodium, and potassium in it. It's pretty much good to use to detox your skin as well as your hair. It has a multiple number of uses. It can be used as a body wrap, it can be used for facials, and it can help clear up acne. It can be used on the body for aches and pains, and it can be also used for insect bite. Pretty much it helps remove the impurities and dirt from your pores. It is extremely detoxing, and it is a deep pore cleansing agent. The package that I have will provide you with some measurements on how to use it for your skin. But with my hair, again, I kind of eyeballed it, and it depends on how long your hair is and how thick your hair is. Me personally, I use Bentonite Clay to pretty much reset my hair. It's great to just detox every once in a while, just like you detox your body, so why not detox your scalp and your hair? So that's pretty much why I use it. I don't do Bentonite Clay masks very often. I haven't done it in probably well over a year. But when I was having issues with my scalp and I ran into issues with using shampoo, this was a very good alternative for me. Bentonite Clay is an antifungal and an antimicrobial agent that can also be used if you have seborrheic dermatitis as well as psoriasis and you suffer from bad dandruff. It pretty much conditions and it softens your hair. I try not to keep the bentonite clay on my hair for no longer than 30 minutes, but in this particular case, I did leave it on my hair for a little bit over an hour. I did not tie my hair up in a plastic bag or a plastic cap or anything. I just pretty much let it sit, and your hair will harden while the clay is in your hair. To remove the bentonite clay from my hair, I did cleanse my hair with Dr. Bronner soap and wash with warm water. All right, you all, so it's pretty much washed out. My hair is super soft, super hydrated. Bentonite clay is actually not hard to wash out. It's actually pretty easy to wash out. I had a little bit of a hard time getting it out this time because, again, I left it in my hair for too long. But if you just leave it for like a quick 30 minutes, you shouldn't have too much of an issue with washing this out. So my hair absolutely loved this stuff. I super highly recommend trying a bentonite clay mask. All right, you all, so that concludes today's video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you all next time. Bye.